students. I hope you are watching the videos regularly and doing the homework also. So we are doing chapter number 6, that is combustion and flame. So for the process of combustion we need three things: fuel, oxygen or ignition temperature. Absence of any one cannot cause the combustion. So for combustion we need three things, that is fuel, oxygen and ignition temperature. So among that, activity 6.2 we have done, where we have seen that the presence of oxygen is necessary for the combustion. Ignition temperature we will discuss in the next class. To continue with that, the presence of oxygen is necessary for the combustion. Today we will do activity 6.3. So in activity 6.3, what we have to do? We have to take a piece of burning wood or charcoal on an iron plate and cover it with a glass jar or a tumbler or a transparent plastic jar. So we should cover it with the help of glass jar. That maybe means the glass jar should be transparent. The transparent plastic jar can be used, and after some time you have to observe what happened. So what you will observe? You will observe that after some time the charcoal stop burning. So now you can think about that, why charcoal stop burning? Because when you cover it with the help of the glass jar or a tumbler or a transparent plastic jar, so what happened at that moment? There is the absence of oxygen. So in last activity also we have studied that oxygen is must for the combustion. This activity also proves that oxygen is must for the combustion. So that is the reason. See, here the figure is being given to you. In the book also it is being given, that is figure 6.3. So whenever a person cloth or a body is having the fire or may exposed to the fire or caught fire, in that case what we do? We cover the person with the help of the blanket. You must have noticed or seen in the movies also. So this is the children first aid precaution also. All should know, because accident can happen any day with anyone. So the thing is that we should alert. So whenever there is the fire in the cloth or a person clothes caught fire, in that case we should wrap the person with the help of the blanket. So why here we are wrapping the person with the help of the blanket? So when we wrap the person with the help of the blanket, then what happened? There is the absence of oxygen, or we can say that we cut the supply of oxygen from the environment to the body. So when we wrap it with the help of the blanket. But think about that, if we cover the body with the help of a simple cloth, then what happened? The cloth may catch fire and it become more dangerous. So here we are using the blanket, a thick blanket that means cut the supply of the oxygen. So this all should know. Now I think you must have understood that why the person is being wrapped with a blanket when the clothes caught fire. So this one all should know whenever it is necessary. But before that, if any fire is there, if a person is not getting the blanket, at that moment what we are doing? We are putting the water also. So by putting the water, what we are doing? We are lowering down the ignition temperature of the body. So that we will study in the next class. What is ignition temperature? How can we attain the ignition temperature? And what we do for whenever the fire is there, how we lower down the ignition temperature? That all we will study in the next class. So I hope you must have understood. Children, write down the homework to complete activity 6.3. Thank you.